He's eating, he's just zoning me.
No. Wait.
Me out. But he gets hit by my portal. Oh.
Stinky.
Hello, how are you? I am under the water. Please help me. Here too much read.
You can't control a storm. Brutality. Rain wins.
Rain. One of my main characters in Mortal Kombat 1. I feel like Rain is a really good character because of his mixes, his overheads, and his lows. That I'm going to be using with Shujinko of Rain is Shujinko. He's the least used cameo in Mortal Kombat 1. But this time, I feel like Shujinko's good. So this is who I'm going to be using along with Rain. Rain, you can do stuff that are really tricky. For example, you can hit him with this overhead. And it can combo extend. But also, it's -5 on block, which means it's safe. Which means you can go for a poke, or you can block. For example, if you try to hit this overhead while someone's blocking, you can block right after, which means it's safe. And his next string is a high, it's a mid and low. And it ends in a low, which tricks people. So you can do this, and it ends in a low. So if someone were to be blocking high, and you go for the string, they'll fall for that low. Because it's kind of hard to react to if you've never fought this character before. This final move is a really cool move in my opinion, because it goes from full screen. It can be close, so if someone to zone you out, you can use this bubble, which blocks projectiles, and it allows you to do this. It's also a low, so it's kind of hard to block if they don't see it coming. And it's also a great punish when they use the projectile. And if you have the Shujinko cameo, you can do something crazy like this. As you can see, Rain is pretty good against all odds. And with Shujinko, it just makes it funny. Because you can do stuff like this. Look at that. And it's really high damage as well, it's not even bad. And if you go for this overhead, it'll still do a ton of damage. 317. And if you didn't have Shujinko that time, you would have done this, and it would have done less damage. Alright guys, we've got Quan Chi as our first matchup. This is actually perfect because I heard Quan Chi's really good when fighting Shujinko. Alright, first, here's a tip. I'm gonna grab him and then charge him. Shujinko's full. Now. Overhead. Nice! Break off of that. Alright, let's go. The Shujinko combo. As you can see, guys, look at that combo. Oh my goodness! Oh. This is our second game against the Kung Lao. I think he's God rank, so it's a bit scary. Oh my god, I'm gonna get. Let's get them overhead. Charge Shujinko. Nice little combo. Let's see if he falls for this. He does fall for it. Kick into. Yeah, look at that combo, everyone. Let's go. We got the stock. Can we get? Ow! 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 Ow!
シートサンライトイエローオーバードライブ
Nice little combo for us. Overhead, nice. No. No.
Stinky.
What an overhead.
You can't control a storm. Brutality. Rain